everybody, it's Pumpkin. Why are you here? Why aren't you at the French Laundry in California or in Ohio hanging drywall? Why are you here? Pumpkin? Pumpkin. Hello. So just to let you guys know, he's back. He took off for part of Christmas and he stopped smoking actually in the new year. So he's gone, what's today, the 10th day? 10 days smoke free. And he's camera shy. Pumpkin. Okay, that's it. Weather report for you guys. Beautiful one out there today. And yeah, hi to my mom. She's watching. Okay, so Walgreens, believe it or not, guys, after all of this is said and done and all the rebates I'm getting back, free and a 67-cent money maker for all of this laundry, 2 things of paper towel, and the Old Spice as well. So we're gonna go through that, including a totally free PUREX with the Checkout 51 app. So some amazing deals. Things are just breaking off and just becoming really awesome. I also had a 5 off of 25 on my basket. So it just turned out to be extra great for me. And if you don't have it, there's still some deals to be had and found. We have a little bit of Walmart clearance here, and then Meijer, my goodness gracious, there's like 5 coupon deals for you guys, including Money Making Larabars. I got mine at Meijer because it was a better deal than at Walmart. We have free Pepsi and a whole bunch of other deals we're going to talk about, and then more Christmas clearance because nobody's buying Christmas clearance. Okay, so the first store right off the bat we're going to talk about is Walgreens. I'm going to just talk about the deals individually, then doing a larger basket, because I know a lot of you don't have the 5 off of 25, so I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to do it individually. So the first little item that I have here today is a PUREX, and this guy is $1.99. And then if you go to your Checkout 51 account, there's a $2 rebate when you buy one of these PUREXs, making it completely for free. I'm not using any coupons for this, so it worked and I already got my $2 back, so that was fantastic. Just to answer one quick question for you guys, where the heck is my Colgate deal today? I could not get that 3 off of 2 to attach to any of the Colgate toothpaste that are part of the buy 2 get a $4 register reward or whatever the deal is this week. So I just passed on it. I didn't want to have to call customer service or deal with any of that drama. Okay, so there is a $1 digital coupon for this all pack. It's working perfectly, and then $1.50 for this guy, and they're both digital coupons. So this is $2.88 this week. With the $1 off coupon, it's $1.88. This is $2.88 as well. With the $1.50 digital coupon, it's $1.38. So I also did this little deal of buy 4, it's $8. And then I had a $1 coupon, I think from a Retail Me Not in December, that I could use one of them. And then the other ones, what I did was I used one $4 register reward from a couple weeks back, and then $3 of points. So I didn't really pay anything out of pocket. It was part of a larger basket. And then coupons.com has $1 back for this and this one. So I'm gonna get $2 back, which is really great. This is just a really great deal. These 2 are on a BOGO 50% off. So for 2 of them, that's $7.50. I had a $1 digital coupon for the first one, and then I threw in $5 of Walgreens cash. Had to pay $1.50 out of pocket. Coupons.com has $1 back when you buy one of these, so I will get $1 back for one of these, making it 50 cents for the 2, which I think is really smart. Okay guys, now the Larabar. Now unfortunately I didn't buy it over at Walgreens because it was a better deal at Meijer because it was $1. At Walgreens it's $1.99, but it would still be a freebie with the coupons.com app because you're going to get back $2.29, and you got to do this deal by Saturday because that deal expires on Saturday the 16th. Last little thing that I grabbed today, and I just grabbed these because they were on clearance, and I was curious if I bought 2 of these, would a 2 off of 2 register reward print for me? And it absolutely did not. These are on a BOGO 50% off. The first one's $1.99 and the second one is half of that. So for 2 of them, that's $3.58. And I had a $2 digital coupon off of one of these products that came off. So I paid $1.58 for the 2, which isn't the worst thing. And of course, guys, as mentioned, I had that goofy little 5 off of 25, and I think that's expiring on the 13th, so I had to use it before Thursday, and it worked beautifully on this, and everything worked out really well today. And I did the math. I'm going to get back $3 from coupons.com. I got back $2 for this, so I paid out of pocket to what I'm getting back. It's free plus a 67-cent moneymaker, and we're talking 7 laundry items, 2 Scott's products, and 2 deodorants. I mean, this is just like meat and potato stuff that's really fantastic. So I am delighted with Walgreens. And the rumor on the street is that this Thursday, it's either supposed to hit 80 or 90% off for the Christmas clearance. So we'll have to wait and see how that plays out. Please like this video or give it a thumbs up if you want me to get into like a cheat sheet to show you guys the different pricing for both 80 and 90% and what that would look like. Just in case if you guys need help, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. The next store that we're going to talk about really quickly is Walmart, and 90% off of Christmas clearance. So these really cute tags, 29 cents. A little wine bag, I think this is so cute, 29 cents. These really big ones do not open till Christmas. I like anything with writing on it. 39 cents. See, the original price point is $3.98, so 39 cents. What a great price point, and they're massive bags. This was absolutely the find of the day. This O'Keefe, it's a little lotion for the hands and feet. I thought my husband might be able to use that. 98 cents. The original price point for this was $9.99. I know a lot of you might want to look this up through PUREX to see if your store might have it. Here's the UPC. I'm suspecting there might not be very many of these left. I only found one at this store. And then another really cute find I found, and I don't know why anybody, why these weren't purchased, for 99 cents each. The original price point was $9.99. These little mixing bowls, and I think next year for a Christmas gift, they would be super cute. And it's by the Walmart brand if you want to look this up too on PUREX. Here is the UPC. So the last store that we have is Meijer. Meijer is a grocery store here in the Midwest. First little deal that I did was I grabbed one of these Larabars, and they are exactly $1. And coupons.com has a $2.29 rebate when you buy one of these, making it free plus a $1.29 moneymaker. Now the Pepsi Zero, it has to be Pepsi Zero, sugar-free, this one. So the regular or the cherry, either one. This guy is also $1, part of the buy 10 for 10, that promotion. There's a $1 MPERK off of a Pepsi product, so that works just for this one, the Zero. So it made it completely for free. I just had to pay a bottle deposit, and that is once per store card as well. Okay guys, rest of these deals are courtesy of a subscriber by the name of Karen. These are both fantastic. This 50 center is from the Smart Source of January the 3rd. Grabbing 2 of those and using 2 manufacturers, and then we have a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta for this Del Monte Oats on the Go, like a breakfasty sort of thing. Grabbing 2 of them, $2, subtracting 2 50 centers from the Smart Source of January the 3rd. You'll pay $1 out of pocket, make a 50 submission twice to Ibotta, making it free. Thank you so much, Karen, for these deals. The next one is also still courtesy of Karen, is to grab 2 of these Dawn dish soaps. These are the larger ones. So for 2 of them, they're $2.69 a pop. That's $5.38 for the 2. And you will get an on your next order that will print out of the Catalina machine. So it drops it out to 38 cents for the 2. And you can use that $5 on your next order on anything in the store, with the exception of the same deal, because the second one will not print. And that is a store coupon again. So hopefully you can follow my lead. Unfortunately, those dollar bottles are not included this go around. Okay, so the next deal that we have is with the Kinder Light Advanced. So it has this silver tag on it. Really pay attention. $4.49 up here at Meijer. We have a $2 MPERK, which is basically a manufacturer coupon. So it would drop it down to $2.49 and then a $2 rebate over on Ibotta. So this would be 49 cents. My understanding that in larger cities, I think it's $3.99 for this, but up here it's $4.49. Open up your Ibotta account to scan to make sure you're grabbing the right one. It might be a little less if you're like living in Detroit or something like that. But to even pay 49 cents for this, if you have like, toddlers or young children in the household, this is probably an item that you need for your pantry. Okay guys, rest of the stuff we're going to talk about in rapid fire pace is Christmas clearance. And my goodness gracious, people are not really caring about Christmas stuff, because I found even more today and I just started buying stuff. These little SpongeBob SquarePants, they're like bath bombs for kids. My nieces might enjoy these. What a cute little gift. And these were 29 cents each. So original price point $2.99, 90% off. 29 cents, and these were found on an end cap, and nobody had even touched them, so I grabbed a whole bunch of them, and they smell really like fruity pebbles, that sort of scent, really nice. So there was, sometimes in the beauty section they have like an end cap, and they have like containers that loose things they put inside of. Well, I found pretty much all the next little items in a container. This potpourri was $9.99, so 90% off. This is 99 cents, and it was found in one of those containers. I have a friend who always likes to gift these, so I thought it'd be funny to gift this to her next year. She'll probably find that hilarious. And then these items, I just thought they're really cute, and I didn't know they were part of 90% off until a friend of mine put it on Instagram, and I like to tie up my hair like that, so I thought, oh, I could probably do something like that. These were 69 cents, so the original price point was $6.99. And then this little Christmas one was 50 cents, so I think the original price point was $5. So these were all found in one of those containers like at Beauty, so look high and low, guys. And then I found even more hand soap today. Same store, I guess nobody's interested in buying this, and this was found at the top of the display, so I just grabbed it. These methods are 39 cents a pop, and it has to be the frosted fir one, the one that kind of looks like somewhat Christmassy. And then I found more of the soft soaps, and these are 10 cents a pop, and the one with the hedgehog and the little kitten, 10 cents each. The little wine bags I found, these were, I think, 24 cents. I just thought they were super cute, so there you have that. And then a little plastic cover for the table. This guy was 50 cents. More trash bins. These were also 59 cents each. All found in a Christmas clearance aisle too. And then I picked up more of these Pillsbury Funfettis. They're 59 cents each. And I have a $1 off 2 tear pad coupon. So after that, they're 9 cents each, and you have to buy them in sets of 2. So how great is that? As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Get out to Walgreens. Some amazing deals to be had and found. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.